Hello, this is Congressman Bobby Scott of Virginia's 3rd Congressional District speaking to you today on behalf of the Congressional Black Caucus. As Congress works to pass comprehensive health insurance reform, there are many things that Democrats and Republicans can agree on. But in order to responsibly enact the provisions we agree on, we must also pass many provisions we do not agree on. For example, health insurance companies can deny coverage if you have a pre-existing condition. It is also a common practice for an insurance company to grant you coverage, take your premiums for years, and then find a way to deny you coverage if you get sick, a practice known as rescission. Both Democrats and Republicans think this is unfair and should end, but only Democrats have offered an actual plan that will successfully end this practice. That's because if we require insurance companies to cover pre-existing conditions, we must also require that all Americans carry health insurance. If we don't, people will just wait until they get sick before they buy health insurance, and the average cost of health insurance will spiral out of control. In order to achieve universal coverage, we must have both mandates and taxes to subsidize those who cannot afford insurance. And in mandating coverage, we must ensure that you have a choice in your coverage. In most states, there is only one company with an overwhelming market share, and in fact, in many states, one company has a market share in excess of 70%. A robust, government-run public option is therefore necessary to create competition. Without a public option, people in many states would be mandated to buy insurance from a sole source, for-profit corporation without any limit on what it can charge. You know that won't work. So even though there is a consensus that people with pre-existing conditions should be able to buy insurance at a reasonable cost, we cannot achieve that goal without mandates, subsidies, and a public option to provide competition. That's why we need comprehensive health insurance reform. On behalf of the Congressional Black Caucus, I'm Congressman Bobby Scott.